Hello friends, welcome to the Cases audio. Today we are going to see the chapter that is Heron's formula from standard ninth. Let's start this chapter. You have studied in earlier classes about the fingers of different shapes such as a sphere, rectangles, triangles and quadrilateral. You have also calculated the perimeter and the area of some of the figure like rectangle, square, etc. For instance, you find the area of perimeter of the floor of your classroom. Let us take a walk around the floor of its side. Once the distance we walk is its perimeter, the size of the floor of the room is its area. So if your classroom is rectangular, length be 10 meter and wide 8 meter, its perimeter would be 2 in bracket 10 meter plus 8 meter bracket close is equals to the 36 meter, and its area would be 10 meter multiplied by 8 meter, it gives 80 meter square. Unit of measurement of the length or breadth is taken meter or centimeter or etc. What unit of measurement of area of any plane figure is taken as square meter or square centimeter etc. Suppose that you have sitting in a triangular garden. How would you define the its area? From your earlier classes you know that area of a triangle is equals to the half into base into height. We see that when the triangle is right angled, we can directly apply the formula by using two sides containing the right angle as base and height. For example, suppose the sides of the triangle ABC are 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter. Please note this in your notebook and try to solve it. We take a base 12 centimeter and height as 5 centimeter. Then the area of triangle ABC is given by half into base into height. Are you find the answer of the question which I give? If no, and if yes, please check your answer. Half into 12 into 5 into half into 12 into 5 centimeter square is equals to 30 centimeter square. If your answer is 30 centimeter square, this answer is correct. Note that we would also take a 5 centimeter as the base and 12 centimeter as a height. Now suppose we want to find the area of the equilateral triangle PQR with side 10 centimeter. To find the area we need the height. Can you find its height in this triangle? Let us recall how we find the height when we know the its side. This is possible in an equilateral triangle. Take a midpoint of a triangle PQR and join it to the tip of the triangle. Then the median is drawn which divide the equilateral triangle into two equal parts. Therefore, and this median is perpendicular to the base, and therefore by the Pythagoras theorem we can find the length of the median. Let us assume this triangle PQR with median PM. Okay, you can able to see the image of that figure on your screen. PQ square equals to PM square plus QM square. Then after 10 square is equals to the PM square plus 5 square, since QM equals to MR. Therefore, we have PM square is equals to 75, and then PM is equals to under root of the 75 centimeter, and it is equals to the 5 under root of 3 centimeter. Then area of triangle PQR is equals to the half into base into height is equals to the half into 10 into 5 under root of 3 centimeter square. Then the answer is 25 under root of 3. Let us see now whether we can calculate the area of isosceles triangle also with the help of the formula. This formula, for example, we take a triangle XYZ with two equal sides XY XZ as 5 centimeter each, and on equal side YZ is 8 centimeter. You can able to see this figure of the question is on your screen. In this case also we can want to know that the height of a triangle. So from X we draw a perpendicular XP to side. You have see that this perpendicular XP divides the base XZ of the triangle in two equal parts. Therefore, yp is equals to pz, and pz is equals to 1/2 of yz, and is equals to the 4 centimeter. Then by the using of Pythagoras theorem, we get xp square is equals to xy square minus yp square. Therefore, it is equals to the 5 square minus 4 square is equals to 25 minus 16, and it's give the answer 9, and the value of xp is equals to 3 centimeter. Now an area of xyz is equals to the half into base into height, and according to given in a question and we solve, we conclude that the half into base into height is equals to the half into 8 into 3 centimeter square. It gives the answer 12 centimeter square. Now suppose that we know the area, sorry, we know the length of the sides of the scalene triangle and not the height. Can you still find the area? For instance, you have a triangular park whose sides are 40 meter, 32 meter and 24 meter. How will you calculate its area? Definitely, if you want to apply the formula, you will have calculate its height, but we don't have clue to calculate the height. Try doing so. If you are not able to get it, then go to the next section, that is area of triangle by the Heron's formula. This is the main film of this chapter. Let's see this. Heron was born in about 10 AD, possibly in Alexandria in Egypt. He worked in applied mathematics. His works on mathematical and physical subject and so numerous on and why write that he is considered to be a encyclopedic writer in this field. His geometrical works deal largely with problem on measuration written in three book. Book 1 deal with the area of square, rectangle, triangle, trapezoid, and trapezoid is also known as a trapezium. Various other specialized quadrilaterally regular polygon circle surface of the cylinder, cone, sphere, etc. In this book, Herons derived the famous formula of the area of the triangle in terms of the three sides. The formula given by the Herons about the area of triangle is also known as Hero's formula. It is stated as the area of triangle is equals to the s under root of s in bracket s minus a in bracket s minus b in bracket s minus c, where a, b and c are the sides of the triangle and s is equals to the semi-perimeter. Half perimeter of the triangle is equals to the a plus b plus c is equal divided by 2. This formula is helpful where it is not possible to find the height of the triangle easily. Let us apply to calculate the area of the triangular park ABC mentioned above in the figure which is shown on your screen. Let us take A is equals to 40 meter and B is equals to 24 meter and C is equals to 32 meter. So we have S is equals to 40 plus 24 plus 32 upon 2 meter is give the answer 48 meter. Then S minus A is equals to the 48 minus 40 meter. It gives the 8 meter. S minus B is equals to the 48 minus 24. It gives the 24 meter. S minus C is equals to 48 minus 32. It gives the 16 meter. Therefore, the area of the park ABC is equals to under root of S in bracket S minus A in bracket S minus B in bracket S minus C. Then after under root of 48 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 16. It gives the answer 384 meters square. We see that 32 square plus 24 square is equals to 1024 plus 576. It's give the answer 16,000. Sorry, 1600. And then 1600 we can also write is as the 40 square. Therefore, the sides of the park make the right angle. The large side is the last side is equals to BC, which is 40 meter will be the hypotenuse, and the angle between the sides AB and AC will be 90 degree. By using the formula 1, we check the area of the park is half into base into height. The half it is equals to base is equals to 32 meter and height is equals to 24, sorry, base is equals to 32 meter and height is equals to the 24 meter, and it gives the 384 meter per 384 meters. If we divide, we find that the area we have got in the same as we found by using the Heron's formula. Now the Heron's formula, you verify this fact by finding the areas of other triangles discussed earlier. First, equilateral triangle with side 10 centimeter. Second, isosceles triangle with unequal side as 8 centimeter and each side equals as 5 centimeter. You will see that for first we have s is equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10 upon 2 is gives the 15 centimeter. Then the area of triangle is equals to the under root of 15 in bracket 15 minus 10 in bracket 15 minus 10 in bracket 15 minus 10. It gives the under root of 15 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is equals to the 25 under root of 3 centimeter. From second, for second, we have s is equals to the 8 plus 5 upon 2 centimeter. It's give the 9 centimeter. The area of triangle is equals to the under root of 9 in bracket 9 minus 8 in bracket 9 minus 5 in bracket 9 minus 5 centimeter square. Under root of 9 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 centimeter square. It's give the 12 centimeter square. Let us now solve some more example. Example number 1. Find the area of triangle. Two sides of the triangle are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter and the perimeter is 32 centimeter. If try to solve this question, I wait for you. If you are solve this question I say the solution of this example. Here we have the perimeter of the triangle is equals to the 32 centimeter, a is equals to 8 centimeter and b is equals to 11 centimeter. Third side c is equals to the 32 centimeter minus 8 plus 4 is centimeter is equals to the 13 centimeter. So 2s is equals to the 32 and s is equals to 16. S minus A is equals to 16 minus 8. S minus B is equals to 16 minus 11. S minus C is equals to 16 minus 13. Then the S minus A is equals to 8 centimeter. S minus B equals to 5 centimeter. S minus C equals to 3 centimeter. Therefore, the area of triangle is equals to under root of S minus A under root of S in bracket S minus A in bracket S minus B in bracket S minus C. Therefore, then the under root of 16 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 centimeter square is gives the answer under root of 8 under root of 30 centimeter square. Then after let us see the application of the Heron's formula in finding the area of quadrilateral. Let's start this topic. Suppose that a farmer have a land to be cultivated and employs some laborers for this purpose on the terms of wages. Calculate by area cultivated per square meter. How will she do this? Many times the fields are in the shape of quadrilateral. We have need to divide the quadrilateral into a triangular part and then use the formula for area of the triangle. Let us look at this problem. Mm, Kamala has a triangular field with the sides 240 meter, 200 meter and 360 meter, where she grew wheat in another triangular field with sides 240 meter and 320 meter and 400 meter adjacent to the previous field. She wanted to grow potatoes and onions. She divided in the field into part by joining the midpoint of the longest side of the opposite vertex and grew potatoes in one part and onions in the another part. How much areas in hectare has been used for wheat, potatoes and onions? We know that the 1 hectare is always is equals to the 10,000 meters square. Can you able to find the answer of this question? I'm not able to repeat till this question. You have a textbook of the standard 9th. Please see from this and try to solve this. There is a also solution is given, but you cannot give solution. I believe that. If your question is solved, I am explaining about this question. Let A, B, C the field where wheat is grown. Also, let ACD be the field which has been divided in two parts by joining C to the midpoint E of AD. For the area of triangle ABC, we have A is equals to 200 meter, B is equals to 240 meter, and C is equals to 360 meter. Therefore, is S equals to 200 plus 240 plus 360 divided by 2 meter. It gives the answer 400 meter. So the area of our growing wheat is equals to the under root of 400 in bracket 400 minus 200 in bracket 400 minus 240 in bracket 400 minus 360. It gives the under root of 400 multiplied by 200 multiplied by 160 multiplied by 400 meter square. Sorry, 40 meter square. It gives the answer the 16,000 under root of 2 meter square, and it is equals to the 1.6 into under root of 12 hectares, which is nearly to the 2.26 hectares. Let us now calculate the area of the triangle ACD. How here we have S is equals to 240 plus 320 plus 400 divided by 2. It gives the 480 meters. So area of triangle ACD is equals to the under root of 480 in bracket 480 minus 240 in bracket 480 minus 320 in bracket 380 minus 400 meters square. Yeah, it gives the answer 3.84 hectare. We notice that the line segment joining the midpoint E of the AD to CE divides the triangle ACD in two parts equal in area. Can you give the reason for this? In fact, they have the bases AE and ED equal, and of course they have same height. Therefore, the area of growing potatoes is equals to the area of growing onions. It is equals to the 3.84 divided by 2 hectares is equals to the 1.9 hectares. And after that, let us take a summary of the whole chapter. In this chapter, you have studied the following points. First, area of a triangle with the sides A, B, and C calculated by using the Heron's formula, stated as the area of triangle is equals to the under root of S in bracket S minus A in bracket S minus B in bracket S minus C, where S is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2, and A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. Then the second point is the area of quadrilateral whose side and one diagonal are given can be calculated by dividing the quadrilateral into two triangles and using the Heron's formula. At this point, the chapter is ended, and thanks for watching.